Again, this is 327. She is Melina, and she is marked down now to, she was $69. She is now marked down to $54. Yay! You're welcome, honey. All right. Again, let me show you the inside of this cap. So you got a lace part. So when you hear me say lace part, that's what I'm talking about. When you hear me say ear tabs, this is what I'm talking about. You see those little things there? That's called an ear tab. All right, let's put it on. So let's do something to it. Let's make it cute. The very first thing you're going to do is, but I don't know how to wear a wig. Yes, you do. Now you do, because you're watching the Big Wig Show. You're sitting in the Wig Nation, and you're surrounded by all the beauty cuties, honey. Some of these women never wore a wig before they met me, and now they got 40, 50, 60, 70 wigs. And I ain't lying either, okay? So here we go. You take this wig, and you go just like that. Here's my ear tabs, one to my right, one to my left. I fold in with my thumb. Now that I fold in, I put a little laminate. I put a little of the beauty solution. Pow, pow, pow. I'm so glad you guys are joining me today. Look how cute that is. Look how natural that is. All right, so that's this one. Gonna put a little spray. And again, for those that are just tuning in, they say, what is that spray? Those are all of our amazing products that is in the spray. It is our wrapping set. You can get online, and our unlock, as well as our protect and shine. Now, I don't know if we talked to you about the Beauty Cutie bag. So after this wig, I'm going to take a break, and I'm going to talk to you about the Beauty Cutie bag, okay, real quick. But in the meantime, put your eyes on this cute little thing right here. Reason why I said that about the Beauty Cutie bag, because look, this little thing comes in your Beauty Cutie bag. And not only does that come in your Beauty Cutie bag, but the water bottle comes in your Beauty Cutie bag. So you want to make sure that you get it, okay? Again, lace part. Okay, so look, here you go. Watch this. I'm going to find my ear tabs, situate the wig. It's perfect. I like a deep part. So because I like a deep part, I'm going to go a little bit more over to my right. I'm going to pull back, and that's what a deep part will give you. It'll give you more of a full bang, just like that. So when you pull your wig over to the side, listen, who's going to come get you? Don't nobody know your tabs is all over the place but you in that wig, and that wig ain't telling nobody. All right, so you see how I just put a personality to I put a personality to this wig. I gave it some flair. And that's all you got to do. You just got to kind of get in there, and you got to play with it until you like it and love it. All right, there you go. So I'm going to just pull over just a little bit more like that. All right, so there you go. So cute, right? One is a popping burgundy, and this is a 99J. 99J has 1B and some like mahogany, but this one is just bam in your face, and it has dark roots. So when it has dark at the bottom and it goes gradually into a lighter color, absolutely beautiful. This is a full wig.
Hey, big wig. Hey, Lehost. Hey, big wig. Hey.